Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Gmail account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Gmail account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address gmail.com, and you'll be redirected on this interface, which is the login page of your Gmail account. Enter your email address over here, and after that click on next. But if you have forgotten your email, can you retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot email? If you click on that, you'll be able to retrieve your email. And let's click on the next after entering your email or your phone number. And after that, enter your password, guys. My computer has auto saved it for me, so I've entered my password from my computer. If you have forgotten it, you can already reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on it, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your password, click on the next button, and then you'll be logged into your Gmail account over here. But if you have turned on your verification, this kind of interface will appear. Go through it and you'll be logged into your Gmail account. And with that being said, guys, I'll be doing this later on. But with that being said, after you have entered your email and your password and click on the continue button in the previous step, you'll be logged into your Gmail account like this, guys. And so guys, this is how to log into your Gmail account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.